Science project by Adam Al-Fahl. Today we'll talk about the difference between the electric motor and the electric generator, covering the structure, the usage or the function, and how does it work. The structure of electric motors. The basic design of the electric motors consists of a rectangular wire, two strong magnets, and a battery. If we are asked what are the two main components of an electric motor, then the answer would be the magnets to produce the magnetic field and the coil to exhibit the effect of the magnetic field. Parts of electric motors. A rectangular coil ABCD, two strong magnets that can be of any type, either a horseshoe or magnetic bar. They are used to provide a strong magnet field. Split rings are used to rotate the rectangular coil. The brushes are used to contact between the split rings. How does electric motors work? Now when the electric current is passed through the rectangular coil ABCD, we notice that the current between BC and AD arm are parallel to the magnetic field, whereas the current between AB and CD is perpendicular to the magnetic field. Therefore, the magnetic field will only act upon the AB and CD arm. From Fleming's left-hand rule, in the AB arm, the direction of the force is downward and the magnetic field is from north to south. Similarly, in the CD arm, the direction of the force is upward. Therefore, the forces in the AB and CD arm are in the opposite direction. This will result in the rotation of a rectangular coil ABCD. After half rotation, ring Q will contact with the brush X and ring P will contact with the Y. This will lead to the change in direction of the current. Since the direction of the current is changed, the direction of the forces in the arm AB and CD is also changed. Hence, the coil continues to rotate in the same direction. Uses of electric motors. They are used in electric fans, they are used in washing machine and water pumps. Types of electric motors. The three types of electric motors are DC, AC motors, and other special purposes of motors. The working of the two AC motors. There are two types of AC motors, the induction motors and the synchronous motor. Induction motor is the type of AC motor which runs on non-synchronous speed. That is why it is called a synchronous motor. This motor applies electromagnetic induction to convert electrical energy to mechanical movement of the motor. There are two types of induction motors that exist: squirrel cage motor and phase around motor. The synchronous motor. Synchronous motor works on the three-phase supply. The stator generates the rotation field current on which the rotors working also depends when the accuracy of the rotation is very high. These type of motors can be used in robotics and automation. Special purpose motors. Simply, the special purpose of motors include all the other types of motor other than the general purpose of AC motors and DC motors. Some of the widely used special purpose motors are stepper motors, brushless DC motors, and hysteresis motor and reluctance motor. Did you know that the electric generator are the equipment that works in the opposite way? Electric generator produce electricity by rotation. The structure of electric generator. Electric generator works on the principle of electromagnetic induction. A conductor coil, a copper coil tightly wound around the metal core, is rotated rapidly between the poles of a horseshoe type magnet. The conductor coil along with its core is known as an armature. How do electric generator works? An electric generator works is a device which is used to produce an electric energy which can be stored in batteries or can be directly supplied at homes, shops, offices, etc. Electric generator works on the principle of the electromagnet induction. A conductor coil, like a copper coil tied wound on the metal core, is rotated rapidly between the poles of horseshoe magnet, and the conductor coil along with it core is known as an armature. An armature is connected to a shaft of a mechanical energy source such as motors and rotated. The mechanical energy required can be provided by engines operated on fuels such as diesel, petrol, natural gas, and etc., or via renewable energy sources such as wind turbine and water turbine, solar power turbine, and etc. When the coil rotates, it cuts the magnetic field which lies between the two poles of the magnets. The magnetic field will interfere with the electrons in the conductor to induce a flow of electric current inside it. Features of the electric generator. The features are power, fuel, portability, and noise. Power. Electric generator with a wide range of power output capacity are readily available. Low as well as high power requirable can be met as easily by choosing an ideal electric generator which matching power output. Fuel. Multiple fuel options such as diesel, petrol, natural gas, LPG, etc. are available for electric magnet generator. Portability. There are generators available in the market which have wheels or handles fitted on them so that they can be moved from one place to another easily. Noise. Some generator models have noise reducing technology in which allows them to be kept at close proximity without any noise pollution problem. Application of electric generator. Electric generators are useful for homes, shops, offices, etc., which face frequent power outage. That they act as a backup to ensure that the appliance receive interrupted power supply in distance area where electricity from the main line cannot access. Electric generator act as a primary source of power supply when working on a project site where electricity cannot be accessed from the grid. Electric generator can be used for powering machinery or tools. Electric generator function. Electric generator function, also called as dynamo, any machine that converts mechanical energy to electricity for transmission and distribution over power lines to domestic, commercial, and industrial customers. Generators also produce an electric power required for automobiles, aircraft, ships, and trains. The end. Thank you.